In this video, we will understand what is digital marketing. Digital marketing is a comprehensive strategy that utilizes online channels and platforms to promote products, services, or brands. It encompasses a wide range of activities, including but not limited to social media marketing, search engine optimization, SEO, content marketing, email marketing, and online advertising. The primary goal of digital marketing is to connect with the target audience in the digital space, engage them, and drive desired actions, such as making a purchase or signing up for a newsletter. It involves leveraging the power of the internet to reach a global audience, track and analyze user behavior, and optimize marketing efforts in real time. Digital marketing allows businesses to establish an online presence, build relationships with customers, and adapt to the dynamic nature of the digital landscape. Examples of online digital marketing include search engine optimization, SEO optimizing a website to improve its visibility and ranking on search engines like Google, pay-per-click advertising, PPC paying for advertisements to appear on search engine results pages or social media platforms, social media marketing, creating and sharing content on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to increase brand awareness and engagement, content marketing, creating and sharing valuable content, such as blog posts, ebooks, or videos, thus attracting and retaining a specific audience, leveraging traditional offline media for advertising, using radio and TV marketing, billboard advertising, print, and in-person events. As per report of Research Markets, the report global digital advertising and marketing market is estimated to reach $786.2 billion by 2026 at a CAGR of 13.9%, with clicks and display ads among the most dominant forms.